Aircraft fuel filters protect the engine from contamination. Today, let's see how aircraft fuel filters are safely replaced. Fuel filters remove contaminants such as dirt, water, and debris, ensuring clean fuel reaches the engine. Before starting, ensure all safety precautions are followed. Wear proper PPE, ground the aircraft, and confirm no ignition sources nearby. Confirm aircraft status as per the aircraft maintenance manual. Ensure engines are shut down and fuel pumps are off. Depressurize the fuel system using the approved procedure to prevent fuel spray or injury. Open the designated access panel to locate the fuel filter assembly. Drain residual fuel from the filter housing into an approved container, following environmental safety procedures. Carefully remove the fuel filter element, ensuring no contamination enters the fuel system. Inspect the removed filter for contamination, metal particles, or water, and report any abnormal findings. Install the new fuel filter element as specified in the AMM. Replace O-rings and seals with new approved parts. Tighten the filter housing to the correct torque value using a calibrated torque wrench. Repressurize the fuel system and perform a thorough leak check to confirm proper installation. Close all access panels, remove tools and equipment, and ensure proper housekeeping. Record the task completion in the aircraft maintenance records as per regulatory requirements. Aircraft fuel filter replacement completed safely and professionally. Like, share, and subscribe for more aircraft maintenance procedures and aviation knowledge.